In this lesson, we're going to do something a little different. Instead of creating new geometry, we're going to verify geometry that's been provided for us. In this lesson, we'll explore several ways to take measurements. On my screen, I have an architectural example. This is a floor plan of a hotel room. I'd like to take some measurements in this drawing, so I'm going to come up to the Utilities panel, and we can find the measuring tools right here. At first glance, you may think there's only one tool, distance, which is the default. If, however, I come down to the lower half of this icon and click, I can open up a menu showing me all of the measurement options. I'm going to start with the distance. To find a distance, all we have to do is pick 2 points, and AutoCAD will tell us how far apart they are. For example, let's find out how wide this nightstand is. I'll grab the endpoint on one side and the endpoint on the other, and we can see it measures 2 feet 7 and 9/16 inches. We also stay in the measurement command, so I could find another distance if I wanted to, or I could access one of the other measurement options. I'm going to find another distance. Let's find out how wide the bathroom is. I'll click the endpoint on one side and then the endpoint on the other, and we can see it measures 10 feet 8 inches. Let's try a radius. I'll select radius, and then I'm going to find the radius of the circular table. This appears to be an even 1 foot. Fortunately, when we measure our radius, the object we select doesn't have to be a circle. If I choose radius, I could also come down and find the radius of the fillet on this desk. Using this tool, we can also measure an angle. To do that, I will select angle, and then I'll click on 2 line segments. I'll click this side of the desk and this side, and they apparently create a 63-degree angle. Let's calculate an area. Maybe we need to purchase flooring for this room. I'll choose area, and I'm going to pan over to the door, and I'll click the endpoint just north of the doorway, and I'll continue to click endpoints as I work my way around the room. As a courtesy, AutoCAD is colorizing my selection so I can see where I've been. Once I've gone all the way around, I'll press enter to accept that area, and we can see this area measures just over 310 square feet. When I'm finished taking measurements, I can click exit or press the escape key. So whether you're taking measurements for the purpose of calculating quantities or simply verifying your geometry, AutoCAD's collection of measurement tools makes it easy to validate your design.